Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to find particle size, and Mr. Junaid will help us in finding particle size from TEM, transmission electron microscope images. So let's start from here. You can see that we have different TEM images, and we will use this figure A for calculation of particle size. You can see that we have this TEM image which have some scale of 50 nanometer, and we have cubic shaped nanoparticles which are basically nickel oxide, and we are going to calculate our average particle size distribution from these particles which we can see over here. So we will first zoom our scale. Kindly zoom it, and then we have to measure this scale using image software. From the toolbar we will select the line tool select करना तो पहले वो आ जाए उसमें ज़रा figure में.
Okay.
So this is a line tool we will select from here, and then we will sketch a line over the scale which is in our figure. Okay.
This is set scale. 50. This is in nanometers.
So after setting the scale, now we have entered the value that this scale is 50 nanometers. As you can see, we have different nanoparticles available over here. So considering this nanoparticle, we will sketch a line from its boundary that you can see we are drawing the line. Then we will press Ctrl D to draw the line, and Ctrl M to measure the parameters, and we will get the results, which is area, mean, minimum, maximum, angle, and length is achieved. Doing this, we will get these lines and line parameters measurements from all the dimensions we can maximum we can take from all that dimension diagonal from one side to another, and we'll take many readings from here. You can see now we are taking from this side, we are measuring 3-4 इसकी diagonal से भी measure कर लें. So these diagonal measurements, and we will take the average measurement at the end. Center.
Doesn't matter.
So this is for one particle. We are measuring from other particle. Very good. For getting maximum accurate results, you can have multiple measurements for each nanoparticle you can see from TEM image. As you can see, we are getting multiple readings for all particles we can see from the TEM image. Multiple dimensions we are taking so that we can get accurate values. So this is the results table. As you can see, we have the values, and we are saving the file. TEM results.
It's not working.
So Excel sheet इसको import. So we have different lengths, different angles, area, and then we are going to calculate which two factors will we use? Length? Only length?
Yes, for histogram.
Okay. We have copied this length line, and we'll paste it in origin. You have to use origin software to have a histogram graph. You can see we have copied the values of length in this, and further we will have to change the x to y, column x to y. plot as a histogram. So we have a histogram. The next step is to apply fitting parameters. So Mr. Junaid will continue for the information regarding fitting. So
Double click here and select normal, add distribution curve and go. So here is our table which shows the distribution as normal, log normal. ठीक है, अब इसमें हम यूज़ करेंगे अगर हम सर इसको
continue. So after applying normal fitting parameters, you can see here we have a lot of value of standard deviation, which is 40, and we need to be near to 0. So we will take log normal of this, which is already taken, and we will plot the graph between distribution and log normal so that we can get right values. So here you can see the distribution curve is achieved.
So here is
Graph.
we will merge these two. Select just one row. Okay. Yes.
Very good. So from here we can see that we have distribution with 40 nanometer nanoparticles from this count, 60 to 80 nanometer nanoparticles about 3 count, and 80 to 100 about 5, 100 to 120 about 6. So we have maximum nanoparticles which are about 100 to 150, 120 nanoparticles. So average particle size will be around 100 to 120 nanometer with standard deviation of 0.33.
We can also worksheet.
Yes, we are again back to worksheet to calculate actual value of particle size, statistics and column. Open dialog box.
It's okay.
So here we can get that the mean value is 107. So you can conclude that our average particle size in this data is 107.30 with standard deviation of 0.0.
It's 40.5.
41. So thanks a lot for watching. Kindly subscribe and hit like button. Thank you so much.